Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be discussing Shiba Inu. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy SHIB, LEASH, or Bone, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency project was launched with one particular idea in mind, to see if it would be possible for a community to drive the coin. Since this project began in 2020, over 500,000 members have joined the ShibArmy. That is what supporters call themselves. And the coin has ranked its way up to the 10th place in the top cryptocurrencies in the world, based on market capitalization of $35 billion. Shiba Inu was inspired by the Japanese hunting dog, and this cryptocurrency is often referred to as the Dogecoin killer, because it has the same mascot as Dogecoin, and they are both referred to as theme-based meme coins. The difference between these two coins, however, is that the SHIB is an ERC20 Ethereum-based coin that was created purely as a community project, while Dogecoin has its own blockchain, and it was created as a joke when cryptocurrencies were first launched over a decade ago. So who created Shiba Inu? The founder of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency remains anonymous, but it is believed that this individual or group goes by the name Ryoshi. Shiba Inu was created in August of 2020, and the token is inspired by Shiba Inu dogs. There is very little information available about the founder of Shiba Inu, but despite the mysterious nature of the coin, the popularity of SHIB has skyrocketed, and its community has flourished. Shiba Swap is a DeFi or decentralized finance platform that combines the power of the three tokens used by Shiba Inu and provides a secure environment to exchange cryptocurrencies. Shiba Swap gives users the ability to dig or provide liquidity, bury or stake, and swap tokens to gain WOOF returns through the innovative Shiba Inu passive income reward system. The Shiba Inu community not only holds the loyalty of thousands of crypto enthusiasts, but it is also increasing in popularity amongst digital artists who have discovered the potential of NFTs and found a place for their art in the Shiba Inu incubator. In addition to encouraging artists to be part of the global decentralized movement, Shiba Inu is using Amazon Smile to collect and donate a percentage of Amazon purchases made by ShibArmy members to the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. The platform can also be used by members of the ShibArmy community to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools that are all compatible with the Ethereum blockchain and Ethereum-based applications. The Shiba Inu ecosystem consists of three tokens, namely the SHIB, the LEASH, and the Bone tokens. SHIB is an ERC20 altcoin, and it is the foundational currency of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It started with a supply of 1 quadrillion, and in May 2021, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, donated more than 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins, valued at $1 billion, to a COVID-19 relief fund in India when the coronavirus Delta variant hit. Shortly thereafter, Buterin also burned or permanently removed from circulation 40% of Shiba Inu's total supply to a so-called dead wallet, which will hold a set number of coins for a specified number of years. LEASH is the second token in the ecosystem. and it was initially set to be a rebase token pegged to the price of Dogecoin, with a supply of roughly only 107,000 tokens. The third token is the Bone, which functions as a governance token, and it has a total supply of 250 million tokens. Lastly, Shiboshis are 10,000 Shiba Inu generated non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, written on the Ethereum blockchain, with different traits that make each Shiboshi unique and collectible. In order to buy SHIB, you would need to create a cryptocurrency wallet on a trusted exchange. Once you own a wallet, your account needs to be funded with Ethereum. Once this is done, your wallet can be connected to Shiba Swap, where you can purchase SHIB, LEASH, or Bone tokens. Some of the best wallets that you can use include the Trust Wallet software wallet that has multi-coin support and allows you to purchase and swap thousands of coins. Your digital assets are protected by access keys that keep assets safe against unauthorized access. And this wallet is one of the most used and trusted wallets on the market. The MyEther wallet is a software that allows crypto coins to be stored on a personal computer instead of being stored online. It is a completely free, open-source, user-friendly client-side interface that allows users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain network directly and generate their own online crypto wallets. The NanoX wallet is one of the most popular hardware wallets for cryptocurrencies, and it stores your private keys locally, keeping access to your crypto assets firmly offline. The device comes with a large screen and can store up to 100 applications and supports more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies. So what do we like about Shiba Inu? On the surface, there are some similarities between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But it is important to remember that although both these coins are theme-based, they were created for entirely different purposes. Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that was created for its community, and it is driven by its community. SHIB coins were donated to India during the COVID pandemic by the founder of Ethereum himself, and this project is actively donating money to the Shiba Inu Rescue Association through Amazon Smile. Due to its compatibility with the Ethereum blockchain, the use cases and capabilities of this coin may change in the future. But in the meantime, there is a rich variety of NFTs to collect from the Shiba Inu incubator, and community-driven initiatives seem very promising. Not only is Shiba Inu a coin for the people, but there is evidence that investing in this coin benefits the greater good of humanity and animals. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Shiba Inu. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.